Alberta. 1. Largest mall. West Edmonton Mall was the largest mall in the world until 2004 and remains the largest in North America. 2. Dinosaur discoveries. Alberta's Dinosaur Provincial Park has one of the world's richest deposits of dinosaur fossils. 3. Chinook winds. Calgary is known for its Chinook winds, which can raise winter temperatures by up to 20 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Fahrenheit, in just a few hours. British Columbia. 1. Great Bear Rainforest. BC is home to the Great Bear Rainforest, one of the largest temperate rainforests in the world. 2. Totem poles. BC has the world's largest collection of totem poles, with many located in Vancouver's Stanley Park. 3. Mild climate. Victoria, BC, has the mildest climate in Canada, with average winter temperatures around 4 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Manitoba. 1. Slurpee capital. Winnipeg has been named the Slurpee capital of the world for over 20 years. 2. Polar bears. Churchill, Manitoba, is known as the polar bear capital of the world. 3. Winnipeg general strike. In 1919, Winnipeg was the site of the largest and most influential strike in Canadian history. New Brunswick. 1. Hopewell Rocks. The Bay of Fundy has the world's highest tides, reaching up to 16 meters, 52 feet, at Hopewell Rocks. 2. Bilingual province. New Brunswick is the only officially bilingual province in Canada. 3. Magnetic Hill. Moncton's Magnetic Hill is an optical illusion where cars appear to roll uphill when placed in neutral. Newfoundland and Labrador. 1. Viking settlement. L'Anse aux Meadows is the site of the first known European settlement in North America, established by the Vikings around 1000 AD. 2. Iceberg Alley. Each spring, icebergs float down from Greenland along Newfoundland's coast in an area known as Iceberg Alley. 3. St. John's. The capital city, St. John's, is the oldest city in North America. Nova Scotia. 1. Alexander Graham Bell. Inventor Alexander Graham Bell had a summer home in Bedeque, Nova Scotia, where he conducted many experiments. 2. Lighthouses. Nova Scotia has more lighthouses than any other province, with over 160 along its coast. 3. Blue Nose. The famous schooner Blue Nose, which is depicted on the Canadian dime, was built in Lunenburg, Nova Scotia. Ontario. 1. Niagara Falls. Ontario is home to Niagara Falls, one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. 2. CN Tower. The CN Tower in Toronto was the world's tallest freestanding structure for 32 years. 3. Rideau Canal. The Rideau Canal in Ottawa is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the world's largest naturally frozen skating rink in winter. Prince Edward Island. 1. Anne of Green Gables. Pay is the setting for the famous novel Anne of Green Gables by Lucy Maud Montgomery. 2. Red Sand Beaches. The island is known for its distinctive red sand beaches, due to high iron oxide content. 3. Potato production. Pay produces about 1/4 of Canada's potato crop. Quebec. 1. Oldest city. Quebec City, founded in 1608, is the oldest city in Canada. 2. Maple syrup. Quebec produces over 70% of the world's maple syrup. 3. Winter Carnival. The Quebec Winter Carnival is the largest winter festival in the world. Saskatchewan. 1. Sunshine. Saskatchewan has more hours of sunshine than any other Canadian province. 2. Athabasca Sand Dunes. The Athabasca Sand Dunes in northern Saskatchewan are among the largest in the world. 3. Cultural diversity. Saskatoon hosts one of the largest Ukrainian festivals in North America. Northwest Territories. 1. Aurora Borealis. The Northwest Territories is one of the best places in the world to see the northern lights. 2. Mackenzie River. The Mackenzie River is Canada's longest river, flowing 1,738 kilometers, 1,080 miles. 3. Great Slave Lake. Great Slave Lake is the deepest lake in North America, with depths of over 600 meters, 1,968 feet. Nunavut. 1. New territory. Nunavut, created in 1999, is the newest and largest territory in Canada. 2. Inuktitut. Inuktitut is one of the official languages of Nunavut, alongside English and French. 3. Northernmost community. Grise Fjord is the northernmost civilian community in Canada. Yukon. 1. Midnight sun. During the summer solstice, parts of Yukon experience 24 hours of daylight. 2. Klondike Gold Rush. The Yukon was the site of the Klondike Gold Rush in the late 1890s. 3. Mount Logan. Mount Logan, located in Yukon, is the highest peak in Canada at 5,959 meters, 19,551 feet.